Hello, investors. Welcome to Chart Shastra, where investing is made simple with the help of charts. Today, we dive into day 8 of our 100-day price action challenge. And week 2 has also successfully completed. Let's see how the major indices has done over this past 1 week. If you see, this is how the week has started with the Monday. And fairly, the Nifty has closed above our key resistance level, which was 24,550 level. It is a good action for the week, and if you look at Nifty Junior, which is the Nifty next 50 stocks, in fact, this showed much higher strength. You see here, right? It has not only broke out this resistance but also had a series of gap days. Although the rally looks a bit of extended here, we might see some kind of pullback in the coming days or coming weeks. We need that pullback because that is what a healthy market would look like. Nifty 100 too, again, which is our major watch list. It has also done fairly well. You see here, post Monday there was a big gap up, and it is continuing in an uptrend. Good action. Coming to mid cap, especially mid cap 150 stocks, it was a very strong week for mid cap space and even for the small cap space too. See here, right? The small cap was almost up 3.5% this week, and it has broken this resistance line. So it is you can see that the stocks in your portfolio have been doing well despite the Nifty not moving because that's the result of Nifty micro cap and Nifty small cap and Nifty mid cap moving very strongly. Even the Nifty micro cap has also moved up 3.5%. Coming to the sectors, we have seen a very good breakout in this week, especially in the bank Nifty. Today, the RBI event has successfully completed. You can see it was a fairly volatile day, although it closed flatly, especially the private banks. There was some traction during the day in the PSU banks, but again, the closing was almost near to the yesterday's close. IT stocks didn't have much action today because it had a very strong day, and this is a healthy reaction. Auto stocks tried to move up. You can see the auto stocks are finally consolidating and looks like they are forming a bottom here. The correction might be ending soon because if you look at the broader market is recovering and also aiming for the next new highs. Coming to reality, it was fairly flat today. Again, a very good week, a very good start in the realty space this Monday. The entire market was revived by the realty stocks during the beginning. Right now, it has a very strong close. Even the pharma, although did not perform much better, but it has fairly consolidated. You can see here, right? This is something we have seen happened in the market or across all sectors in the last week. Pharma is now taking or gearing up for the future moves. Even infra has done well. You see that the cement stocks or the realty stocks, even realty stocks also come under the infra, right? FMCG again, look at here, right? You see the major difference. This is somewhat something similar like an auto sector. Not great action here. Telecom is trying to do revive. So that's it for the sectoral analysis. Let's see how our Nifty 100 charts have been doing well. Reliance is in still it's a range bound. So again, it started good in the week, but again you can see it is consolidating. Decent action, not very great. TCS, we have seen its breakout yesterday, and today we are seeing an inside a candle. Inside a candle is nothing but when the stock trades within the price ranges of the previous day. Here you can see that yesterday the stock was here and it started from here, right? Today it is consolidating or contracting within the yesterday's price range. That is a usually healthy sign. HDFC Bank to again form of inside day. If you see the major of theme of the day would be inside day, especially because it's a Friday close, we don't want selling to happen, and that's what happened in majority of the stocks here. Bharati Airtel again consolidating a little bit. It had a very strong week last week, but it is taking some time now. ICICI too tried to move up again, closed just half of the yesterday's day candle. Infosys is still taking time, although it is gearing up. You can see, right? It is getting tighter and tighter here. Probably just like TCS, it might break out very soon in the coming weeks. State Bank of India acting very well because of RBI. This would be the most traded stock today because of the RBI events. ITC again not so great. Even the week started high, but it has closed. Hindustan Unilever, almost nothing happened in this stock for the last 10-15 days. Since last Monday, it's almost 2 weeks now. The stock has done nothing. It is trading in the range. LIC, decent action, especially last Friday, it was up 5%. This Friday, it was trading within the same range. HCL Tech, it is still very good. See here, right? Although it did not move up, but as soon as it is coming to the yesterday's close, people are buying it. That's what I want, tightness in a stock. L&T very good, wonderful close. Even during the Friday close too, it did not hesitate to come down. This was a very strong close. We need some little consolidation here because it almost moved non-stop from this level to this level. It was 11% move. We need a little bit consolidation here, then we can break. Sun Pharma doing very good. Let's see whether it breaks out or not. Bajaj Finance again not so great. NTPC to one of the subscriber has asked, again not so great, weak chart, right? Look at the other charts, they are recovering, but this one is not recovering. That's what tells you about the stock. Axis finally, a decent day, but again I'm not saying, we need to break around this level, right? Only then we can talk about this stock. Maruti too, same, this charts almost looks like the Nifty auto chart, right? Because it is a major weight in the Nifty auto index. No major movement here. Kotak too, I thought at least even today it has to react something, but it is still not reacting. Probably this would be the crucial near-term support level. Let's wait how this happens. Mahindra and Mahindra getting tighter and tighter here. You, in fact, you can't even see the candle, right? That's what the tightness. We need little more tightening, and when the buying force comes, this stock should skyrocket. ONGC again, nothing major thing happened here. It tried to came out of this and consolidating, so a decent little bit getting better each day. Tata Motors finally, the closing of the week was a breather, because it is a good close, 3% and with a decent volume. Still there is a lot of way ahead to go, and looks like it has almost formed a bottom. So as of now, no need to worry that it might correct further, but again, it has a lot of room. Almost it needs 30-35% to reach its all-time high. Ultratech, very, this is what I was expecting in the L90. It needs some more tightening here, then it can break out. That's what we want in a stock. Just like it happened in the Zomato, right? We need the same thing. Probably Ultratech would also give an entry in coming days. Adani, it is still consolidating, tightening a little bit. Very good as of now. We can't just take the entry because there are much better stocks than this one. Power Grid, again, nothing major happened here. Titan, decent. It is getting stronger. I mean, this was the breakdown, the previous breakdown where the crucial support was taken. Again, it has successfully reached its level. Decent, good action. I mean, this is where the average stock, if I am talking about the levels, the stronger names are the one which usually be around this region of the chart. The average would be at least half the way. The weaker names like Tata Motors or Asian Paints are still at the bottom of the chart. Bajaj Auto, a bit relief today again, but nothing major changed in the chart, right? Adani Port again taking its time. Coal India, see, that's what I'm talking. A weaker. It is still in the lower part of the section. We need stock somewhere around here. That's when we can say that buyers are confident, the sentiment is positive in the stock. Asian Paint, see, again, even on such a day, it's getting lower and lower. I don't want to hold this stock ideally because we are losing money every day. We are losing time opportunity. Rather, you could put the same money in other stocks, right, which are doing well. Wipro again, very good action within the yesterday's range. It's getting tighter. Let's see. Mm. Hindustan again getting tighter, a decent action, nothing major. It looks like it will take this level with a. Ideally, in these cases, we need a strong buying candle, something like happened in Zomato. Then we can take an entry. Bajaj Finserv, nothing great happening here. DMart too, again, nothing great happening here. Trent, it tried, but still the closing was weak here. Adani Green, nothing. See, this was the bounce back, dead cat bounce. People call this term in technical analysis. Whenever the stock falls almost 50-60%. Just like a cat falling from a hill, it would bounce, right, when it hits and again falls down. Let's see whether this was the dead cat bounce or there is some steam left in the stock. Simon's getting very good. See, just like Zomato, it is getting tighter and tighter. That's what I'm telling about. We need such consolidation happening in L&T. We need such consolidation. It's already happening in Ultratech Cement. Even this too, it's looking something similar here. Once it breaks out, we can comfortably take the position. Zindal still good, decent action, but again, it is a very slow mover. Adani Power, same story across all Adani stocks. See, Zomato, this is a strong follow up, right? Again, a positive 1.2% close for the day. Yesterday we have initiated entry somewhere here and decent, and it has closed above 300 level. See, that's the most important. 300, the round figure numbers are usually the psychological marks. If the stock is closing at that level, it means that buyers are still confident. Nestle, see, nothing happening here. See, almost since October 24th, it did not move. That's why. Why to waste our money here? IOC, same kind of. It almost looks like Nestle, at least a little better than Nestle. Bharat Electronics, we have initiated, but again, this is not moving. It's not a bad sign. We should be getting worry if it closes below this level because it has rallied strongly 11-12% in 9 sessions. It needs some time. As of now, no major caution here yet, but it's taking its time. Let's see. Varun Beverages, see, this looks like a change in trend. I would note this close as a important close. The immediate resistance for this stock would be here. If this stock closes above this 670, 680 level, I'm good to go in Varun Beverages because fundamentally, again, this has done very well over the last 3-4 years. And as a fundamental investors, this stock business, right? Geofinance taking its break, strong up move during the week and a little bit pullback here. This pullback is still healthy, not a major concern because when the stock is falling, look at the volumes. Even the volumes are declining. That's what we want. DLF decent action started the week with a strong candle, now holding up those levels. Good. Tata still no Vedanta. See, this is what. Look at the volumes. Look at the candle. Probably this is what perfect breakout again. Another breakout looks like tight consolidation. It gave up again as soon as the buyers came in. They pushed around this level. They took some time. It was getting tight here, and suddenly today it was up 6%. Again, the major resistance is still at 520 level, but again, you see the difference between Tata Steel and Vedanta, right? The stock made its all-time high somewhere here in the June. So does the Vedanta somewhere here, but the stock did not correct and almost reach its previous high, whereas Tata Steel is still struggling. I was talking about this stock that once the metal sector gets favorable, this is the one which moves first in the pack. That's what, because you can see clearly on the chart there was not much selling here. It was taking its time, and today you can see it was 25 million shares. I don't know, there might be some news or was it because of but the most important thing is it closed about the psychological level 500 mark, and it was up 6% with almost triple volumes. That's what important. Grasim getting tighter. See, this is what I was talking about. We need some more tightening, and boom. IRFC finally a breather for railway stocks. Looks like today railway stocks had a good day, and even the volumes looks very promising. Probably this looks like a bottom out. You see, right? This was the new bottom. Again, here it made a new higher low. This was the previous lower low 133. This time, as soon as it is coming down, buyers started pushing at 138. Again, here they started pushing at 146. This is a sign, good sign for the stock is making a bottom. As soon as the stock, as long as the stock makes or respects these levels, it is good indication. Again, nice follow up in LTIM too. Indigo, see, this was the perfect pullback, and again a strong day for Indigo. See, that's what the how price action. You are learning the daily price. You are observing the little patterns, finer details here, right? When it was correcting even yesterday too, it closed even at this level, not somewhere here. That usually indicate the strength, and today, boom, it was up. Tech Mahindra again, good action. Yesterday we initiated the buy in this. SBI Life C weaker, not yet. Pidilite again, it got rejected here, slowly pulling back. Let's wait again whether it would. If it test these levels and moves up, that's a good indication. But if it again slides back, again, boring name. ABB or just like Simon's, it is getting tighter here. But look at Simon, it was almost somewhere here near to the top range of the channel. But ABB hasn't gone there yet. Again, Divi slab, it is holding this level. Yesterday was a sharp dip, and again it was quickly absorbed by the buyers. Good action. Still, I would see this is a good level. Let it get tighter here and break out. HDFC Life again, weak, right? I am talking. This was the day we would ideally want to exit out of the stock, and from here you see that there was no recovery. Hindalco again, no action here, while Vedanta has done very strong, but here today there was no action. PFA again, PFC attempted to move up, but the closing was weak. It is taking its time, let it take some more time. Britannia, see again, very weak name. Ambuja Cement getting tighter around this range, let's wait. Gale, not so great again. It is having this sharp wicks. I mean, buyers are trying to move up, but when it comes to the day end, they are again selling back. Tata Power, this looks like a change in trend. I mean, this was the declining slope trend line. Right now, the stock came out of this trend line with a good volumes. This is a good indication. Probably, it is a signal that the trend has reversed. This is not a buy signal. REC good candle again, just stopped at this major resistance. Motherson, it's tried to came out of this zone with a strong volumes. Fair attempt or decent attempt. Now we can confirm that this would be the major support, and the correction has ended in the Motherson. Unless we can always see unforeseen event happening in the market. But as of now, at least if you are holding this, you can just breathe that okay, the correction has halted. BPCL, nothing major change here. Godrej consumer product, nothing major here. Even Eicher is also. This was trading in the range since almost May. Here it attempted but again came back. Bank of Baroda. This is interesting. See, this is interesting. In fact, this week was fantastic for Bank of Baroda. You can see it moved almost 8 9%. It started somewhere here Tuesday, Wednesday, and today. It was a very fantastic date. Um, the stock also closed above this major level 260. Good to go. Let's now start focusing on PSU banks because this implies that something has is changing in the price character of these names. Siplasi again, nothing major happening here. JSW looks like it started bouncing back and reversing. Probably you can again expect somewhere here. I think I have explained how this channel trading works in the last video or the day before yesterday. Tata Motors decent action, not so major movement here. Torrent Pharma too again consolidating sideways. Sriram Finance getting tighter. Good. Chola again very weak. You see the difference between Sriram and Chola, right? My preference would be either for Sriram when you only compare these two names. Bajaj Holding, nothing happening here, still in the sideways. Adani, same thing. Punjab National Bank, this was the first to came out of this important resistance. Again, it has hold. I mean, look at this. It strongly held up. Probably now the next important resistance I would want to extend this line, this 113 or 114 level. Once this is taken out, we can see that you can see the larger trend, right? The stock was sliding down, and this region was a bottom, and this probably would be the beginning of new trend. For that, it has to break this 114 level with a strong volumes. Dr. Reddy's looks like the stock. This too has bottomed out. You are seeing even United Spirits getting tighter. Low the this was the change in trend, fairly holding up. I proved this was looks like again it is much weaker than other stocks. It is not still attempting to move up. Havells decent action. It is holding these levels. It is a good bit slow mover here. No, Bosch again. Yesterday it was a good. Today it attempted to break this resistance, but you see the closing was weak. So the force was not enough today. We need some more strength in buyers. Maybe a little consolidation here, and once the buyers come, well, it would be a great. Apollo getting interesting here. Again, let's also put an focus here because other hospital names across mid cap, small cap has been doing well. I have been telling this from day one. This is too is acting very well. Let's see. We need some more consolidation and then a breakout. Zydus again. See, you are seeing a common pattern today that most of the stocks are coming like this, and on the chart they are sliding down. Looks like they have formed a bottom and starting to recover. That's a healthy action that the market health is improving. Of course, Hero, there was no sign of improvement here. Naukari, again, it is still in the range. We have initiated our buy here, still holding this level. As of now, we put the stop loss somewhere here. So let's see how it goes. Tata Consumer finally it too looks like formed a bottom, but it needs to take this level. This was the day where it reacted harshly because of earnings. Unless and until the stock closes above this 1000 level, we can't just say. Dabur again, most uninteresting chart. ICICI Lombard, okay, looks like it formed a bottom. It needs some more consolidation here. Zindal still same. It needs to take out this 970 level. Sri Cement, see, good recovery. Almost half of the yesterday selling was recovered today. If it is a strong name, it needs consolidation and a breakout here. Canara again, see, you are seeing a pattern in the PSU bank stocks, right? First it was Bank of Baroda, then it was Punjab National Bank, now the Canara Bank. It is these are getting better. Even for Canara, this 113 level is a crucial level. But looks like the selling has stopped, and you see the moving averages have started to bottom out and started to slope up. That's what we want. This is a change in trend. We can confirm that the stock is changing its trend. Union Bank too, not as good as Canara or the Bank of Baroda, but yes, it's better. Looks like, see, this was the 106 was the lowest low. Then as soon as the stock was sliding down, buyers started buying at 112, then again at 120 level. Good action, right? That's what we need. The lowers are making high. This is a higher low, higher low, higher low kind of thing. That's what the stock looks like. It has formed a bottom here. IndusInd not so great price action. Adani Total Gas not so great. NHPC tried to close above this level, got rejected here. Let's wait. Let's see. VHL again not so good here. It needs to take this 256 level. Let's see. IRCTC too not although few railway stocks recovered today, but IRCTC saw no breather. So that's the end of day 8 price action, guys. I hope you are learning something new or observing the finer things in the price action every day. As of now, we are seeing the most common patterns that the Nifty. You see the similar pattern, right? All the stocks were forming somewhere here and started to slope up. Even the on the index level, the 21-day moving average and the 50-day is also trying to slope upwards. So this is a good signal. We had a very good week. Now that the RBI event is also completed, maybe next week we would see a good reaction on this RBI event. So till then, stay subscribed to my channel and let me know if you have any suggestions or put it in the comment box. Thank you.